Today, we will talk about the geometric mean. The geometric mean is the average of a set of products, the calculation of which is commonly used to determine the performance results of an investment or portfolio. It is technically defined as the nth root product of n numbers. The geometric mean must be used when working with percentages, which are derived from values, while the standard arithmetic mean works with the values themselves. To calculate compounding interest using the geometric mean of an investment's return, an investor needs to first calculate the interest in year 1, which is $10,000 multiplied by 10%, or $1,000. In year 2, the new principal amount is $11,000, and 10% of $11,000 is $1,100. The new principal amount is now $11,000 plus $1,100, or $12,100. The geometric mean, sometimes referred to as compounded annual growth rate, is the average rate of return of a set of values calculated using the products of the terms. It takes several values and multiplies them together and sets them to the 1/nth power. The geometric mean considers the effects of compounding and is a vital tool for calculating portfolio performance. It allows for an apples-to-apples comparison of investment options over more than one time period. Using the geometric mean allows analysts to calculate the return on an investment that gets paid interest on interest. This is one reason portfolio managers advise clients to reinvest dividends and earnings. The geometric mean is also used for present value and future value cash flow formulas and specifically for investments that offer a compounding return. The shortcut to calculating the geometric mean in Excel is =GEOMEAN. Enter the function into a cell and list the numbers that you would like to calculate the geometric mean for. Here are two key takeaways. 1. The geometric mean is the average rate of return of a set of values calculated using the products of the terms. 2. The geometric mean is most appropriate for series that exhibit serial correlation. This is especially true for investment portfolios. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.